Algorand value equivalent to $0.506 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $7.460 to $752. The earlier day close $8.751. The change was 0 to 45891%. Opposite rate US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 333 coins. Exorbitant cost 4348, while low 333. The found the middle value of cost 3754. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 4000 change for June 20%. US to Algo expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 4000 coins. Excessive cost 4000, while low 3226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3669. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3448, change for July 13.8%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for August 2024. In the first place cost at 3448 coins. Exorbitant cost 34048, while low 2778. The found the middle value of cost 3154. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 241, change for August 14.7%. US to Algo expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 2.41 coins. Excessive cost 3030, while low 2564. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2828. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2778, change for September 5.5%. Dollar to Algorand figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 2778 coins. Excessive cost 2778, while low 2326. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2596. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2500, change for October 10%. S to Algo expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 2500 coins. Excessive cost 2564, while low 2222. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24017. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2381, change for November 48%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2024. At the outset cost at 2381 coins. Excessive cost 2500, while low 2174. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2345. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2326, change for December 23%. US to Algo expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 2326 coins. Excessive cost 2381, while low 283. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2253. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2222, change for January 4.5%. Dollar to Algorand figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 2222 coins. Excessive cost 2273, while low 2000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2156. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2128, change for February 4.2%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 2128 coins. Excessive cost 2174, while low 1923. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 267. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2041, change for spring fall 1%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at 2041 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1852. The found the middle value of cost 2.5. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2000 change for April 2%. US to Algo expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 2000 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1818. The found the middle value of cost 1977. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 1961, change for May 2%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for June 2025. At the outset cost at 1961 coins. Excessive cost 1961, while low 1587. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1801. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1695, change for June 13.6%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 1695 coins. Exorbitant cost 1754, while low 1538. The found the middle value of cost 1657. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1639, change for July 3.3%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at 1,639 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,128, while low 1,639. The found the middle value of cost 18842. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1961. Change for August 19.6%. As to Algo expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1,961 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,083, while low 1,786. They found the middle value of cost 1,938. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1923. Change for September 19%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for October 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,923 coins. Excessive cost 1,923, while low 1,563. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,769. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,667, change for October 13.3%. As to Algo expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 1,667 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,128, while low 1,667. They found the middle value of cost 1,856. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,961, change for November 17.6%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,961 coins. Excessive cost 1,961, while low 1,695. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,859. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,818, change for December 7.3%. US to Algo expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 1,818 coins. Excessive cost 2,326, while low 1,818. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,34. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,174, change for January 19.6%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 2,174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,174. They found the middle value of cost 2,423. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,564, change for February 17.9%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at 2,564 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,564. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,1846. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,030, change for spring 18.2%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for April 2026. At the outset, cost at 3,030 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,703. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,995.